Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to configure the security options in the ARMember plugin. First, navigate to the ARMember General Settings page. This is the ARMember General Settings page. Open the Security Options tab. This is the ARMember Security Options page. Here, ARMember provides multiple security options to help protect your website and member accounts. The first option is Login Attempt Security. Let's see how it works. Enable this option to track failed login attempts. If the number of failed attempts exceeds the configured limit, ARMember temporarily blocks login attempts from that IP address. Here I've set the limit to 3 failed login attempts with a 5-minute lockout. Click the Apply Changes button to save your settings. The changes have been saved successfully. Next, open the front-end login page. This is the login page. Enter a valid username and an incorrect password, then click the Login button. As you can see, an error message is displayed along with the remaining login attempts. Now click the Login button again. Again, an error message is displayed. We've already made 2 failed login attempts. 1 more failed attempt will lock the account for 5 minutes. Let's try it. As you can see, this account has been locked for 5 minutes. Go back to the back end and look at the next security option. The new option is Advanced Security. It extends the basic login security features by allowing you to define the maximum number of failed login attempts and the permanent lockdown duration in hours. Here, I've set the limit to 6 failed login attempts with a 24-hour lockout. After 10 minutes, return to the front end and make 3 more failed login attempts using the same user account. As you can see, this account has now been locked for 24 hours. Let's return to the back end and look at the next feature. The next feature is Failed Login Attempts History. Here you can view failed login attempts for all users or reset the failed login attempts history with a single click. Now click the Select User field and choose the user. You can also reset the failed login attempts history. Before doing that, let's review the current history. Here you can see how many failed login attempts this user has made. Click the Reset button. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click Reset again to confirm. The failed login attempts have been reset successfully. Let's go back to the front end and reload the page. Try logging in with the user account that was previously locked. As you can see, the member has logged in successfully. Go back to the back end and look at the next feature. The next feature is Remaining Login Attempt Warning. When enabled, it displays the number of remaining login attempts on the front-end login page. You can also customize the remaining login attempt warning and other login messages. To do this, open the Common Messages tab. This is the Common Messages page. Here you can customize the default messages used by ARMember. Go back to the Security Options page and look at the next option. The next option is Block Username. It allows you to block specific usernames during registration. Enter the usernames you want to block. To add multiple usernames, enter each one on a separate line. Click the Apply Changes button to save your settings. The changes have been saved successfully. Open the front-end sign-up page. This is the sign-up page. Enter the required information, use Joan as the username, then click the Submit button. As you can see, an error message is displayed. If you want, you can also customize this error message. Go to the back end and update the error message. In the same way, you can also restrict specific words from being used in email addresses. Now enter any word you want to block. If that word appears in the email address, the user will not be able to register. You can also customize the email restriction error message. After making your changes, save the settings and return to the front end. Now enter the required information. In the email address field, use the blocked word you added in the backend, then click the Submit button. As you can see, an error message is displayed because the email address contains a restricted word. Go back to the backend and look at the next security option. The next security option is Block IP address. If you add an IP address here, users from that IP address won't be able to access your website. You can also customize the error message displayed when a blocked IP address tries to access your website. After that, click the Apply Changes button to save your settings. Then try accessing the website from the blocked IP address. As you can see, an error message is displayed because this IP address has been blocked. Go back to the backend and look at the next security option. The next security option is Block URLs. This feature lets you block access to specific URLs or URL patterns. You can also use the wildcard * to block multiple URLs that match a specific pattern. You can also configure URL restrictions for specific membership plans. You can customize the blocked URL error message or choose to redirect users to another URL instead. If you want to clear the login history, ARMember provides a dedicated option to reset it. Using the Reset Login History option, you can clear the login history for all users with a single click. That's it. We hope this video helped you understand how to configure the security options in ARMember.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.